Hey guys, please be sure to stay to the end of this video because I will be announcing all 4 giveaway winners. It is coming up next, and enjoy. Hey, it is Victoria. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And today's video is going to kind of be like a piggyback off of our last video. I saw something on the wall. Today's video is going to kind of be like a piggyback off of our last video of how to grow our hair faster. So if you missed that video, let me catch you up and get you up to speed. I'll also leave a link in the description box of that video, but basically I was explaining to you all how I grew my hair from a shaved head to waist length hair. And what I did was I combined essential oils, peppermint because that helps stimulate hair growth, as well as tea tree because that's clarifying to the scalp, as well as rosemary, coconut oil, jojoba oil, liquid biotin, and much more. And what I do is I kind of just put it into a little dropper and I massage my scalp with these oils. So I take the dropper and I glide it into my hair and I get full coverage, get in the back, the sides, the front, the back, and then I massage these into my scalp. This has been so amazing for helping with growing my hair very quickly. Now, while you're doing this, make sure because I got some questions on Instagram as far as how long you're supposed to do this. You're supposed to do this for 10 minutes, and in my last video I told you guys to do it for 10 minutes inverted. But what I did not say, and I apologize, is you don't want to be inverted for the entire time because you can pass out and I don't want to be responsible for that, and I'll feel bad. Okay, sorry. So you want to massage your scalp for 10 minutes, but you want to go back and forth, kind of toggling between being inverted and being upright, and being inverted and being upright. So in totality, we want to do this for about 10 minutes. And the reason that I do it inverted is because it helps to bring the blood to the scalp, and that also helps promote hair growth. So I'm really excited about this video because I told you guys, especially you girls who have joined the growth journey, if you haven't joined the growth journey and you are interested, please leave a comment in the comment section so I can send you guys a link, because we have a whole group of sophisticated, beautiful, lovely ladies who are encouraging each other and helping each other and motivating each other through this hair growth journey. And I'm a part of the hair growth journey too, so I'm really excited about it, and I love connecting with you guys there. So leave a comment in the comment section if you want to join the hair growth journey. So now, like I said in the last video, I showed you guys how about the mask that I use in order to help to protect my hair and repair my damaged hair. But now I want to show you guys, because I got a lot of questions in the DMs about how to do it. So I'm just going to show you exactly what I do so you guys can understand how and why. Okay, so let's get into everything. So we're going to use bananas. The reason we're going to use bananas is because bananas makes the hair super happy, super soft, shiny, and manageable. It's also great for hair growth, and it helps with elasticity. And we need the elasticity so our hair won't break and so we can retain length. Next up is avocado. Avocado is great because it's extremely hydrating to the hair, and it also helps promote strong, healthy, smooth hair. And we need that in order to retain length. Anyone can grow hair, but what we're trying to do is nourish our existing hair so that our length can be retained, so our hair can get longer and stronger and healthier. Don't forget, the goal here is to prevent breakage. Oh, and not to mention, avocado is fantastic for repairing damaged hair. Next up is honey. I absolutely love honey. I use honey mask on my face. And the reason I like this for my hair is because honey is a humectant. And basically what that means is it attracts water from the air and retains it. So that leaves you with ultra hydrated and healthier strands. It also has antioxidants that ward off damage and promote the health of the scalp, as well as the roots and your hair. So overall, honey is fantastic for the hair, especially in the area of repair. Okay, now next up is coconut milk. I don't know which one is my favorite, this or honey, but either way, coconut milk is extremely moisturizing to the hair. It can restore both dry hair and dry scalp, and it acts as a powerful conditioner for damaged hair, which is exactly what we're trying to do, repair our damaged hair so we can retain our length. You can add any conditioner, but this is my favorite. I like this Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk by Shea Moisture, and I just add a little bit of this to the mix and I mix it together. Now this is the consistency that we are looking for, and then you just apply it directly to your hair. Now when applying this to your hair, just make sure that you are getting full coverage. Make sure you're getting your roots, make sure you're getting the ends of your hair, and then when you're done, make sure you're massaging it into your scalp. And my hair really eats this up. I know it looks like I made a pretty large bowl, but by the time I'm done, there is nothing left. And then after I'm done, I'll go ahead and I'll wash this out with shampoo, followed up with conditioner, and my hair is left so silky and so shiny, and it feels so strong. And there you have it, guys. So this is my hair after leaving in the conditioning treatment for a full day, a full 24 hours. And yes, I know that is excessive and a little obnoxious, but that's just me. You don't have to leave it in that long, but please make sure you're leaving it in for at least 30 minutes because we want it to work. We want it to really penetrate like the cuticles of our hair and really get into our hair shaft. So 30 minutes I think is a good starting point. But if you want to go a full 24 hours, that's cool too. I like that. That's how I like it. I like for things to really work for me. So that's that. But I wanted to go over the giveaway winners from the last video. So I'm gonna pull my phone out because I want to do it live, you know. Okay, so my phone died, but I did find my iPad. So I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winners for this Dream Hair Growth Serum. And in here is peppermint, tea tree, rosemary, liquid biotin, as well as Jamaican black castor oil, aloe, all the good stuff. Now, I also make these for my store, so if you guys want to purchase this, I'll leave a link for it in the description box, but let's pick these winners. This is kind of fun. It's exciting. I like to go through and pick the winners. Okay, so I have the video pulled up, and now I'm just going to go through the comments, and so the winners are going to be Alana Nelson. Let's see. I'm just scrolling down and just randomly selecting, guys. So the next winner is going to be Belinda Robinson. Why is this so fun to me? I'm such a child. The next winner is going to be Lucy Maynard. And I'm just going to type winner on hers. And I should do these giveaways all the time. It makes me, I don't know, it makes me feel good. Okay, so the next person I'm going to choose is, and it's going to be the last person, is going to be Peach 22 Cobbler. I really like that handle. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in winner for you. And I went ahead and I selected the winner. So you guys will be receiving the Dream Hair. If you guys have any questions for me, please go ahead and leave me a message on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast, or just follow me there anyway because I love the company. Please leave a comment in the comment section saying that you want to join the hair growth journey, and I will send you guys a link so you can click on it. And so it's basically just a Telegram group where we're encouraging each other. So once you click on the link, it'll direct you to the Telegram group and it will send you an invite and everything. Don't forget to check out these videos that I think you will love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!